Fit height course. Do you want to grow taller? Or you know it's possible to be taller at any age? You can increase your height, you can maximize your growth with natural herbal supplement. Fit height course is 100% natural, safe nutritional supplement. Fit height course increase height quickly and naturally for men and women. Gaining extra inches are more important nowadays. Many people are not comfortable with their size. Most of the people want to grow taller. Fit height course is a grow taller supplement which helps people gain extra inches in their height growth, increase height. Fit height course is very much effective and result oriented in height increase height growth. Fit height course will boost your natural growth, improving your HGH level and make a radical difference in your overall height, posture, and outlook. Fit height course is a powerful, safe, and effective grow taller formula to help you maximize height faster by boosting your own natural growth. Fit height course is supplement which contain get quality ingredients that will make you grow taller. If you are suffering from short height problem or you want to grow taller, use Fit height course. Fit height course price is $3,000. Course duration is 4 to 6 months. Use it 9 to 12 months to get your desired height growth.
Welcome to Taysir Dawakana. Dear patient, this is for your kind information. If you want to contact or call to Taysir Dawakana, our call time is 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Friday off. Hakeem and Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taysir, consultant sexologist, alternative medicine specialist, expert male and female, infertility chairman, Taysir Patient Welfare Society. 0334-9552889, 0300-9552889, 0321-9552889. You can contact to Taysir Medical Board, Hakeems and lady doctors, for consultation about the old, complicated, and hidden sexual problems, male and female infertility, and all general diseases. Our contact numbers are given below. 0333-5501390, 0323-5501390 for free consultation. Erection stiffness, duration, erectile dysfunction, lose erection, please contact on these numbers. 0332-5607654, 0331-5607654, for free consultation. Regarding penis enlargement treatment, bent penis, curvature penis, small penis, please contact on these numbers. 0337-7007101, 0332-7007101, female consultation. Women health issues, Lecorhea periods problem, small breast, male and female infertility, and all general height, weight, lose weight gain. Please contact on these numbers: 0336-5777696 for female consultation. Women health issues, height, leukorrhea, periods problem, small breast size, pregnancy, male and female infertility, all general diseases. Please contact on these numbers: 0336-5777697, 0332-15000540. In case of any emergency, you can contact directly to Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taysir, 0332-15000548, 0332-15000549. Address: Taysir Dawakina and Taysir Herbal Pharma, I-111, Iqbal Road, attached Punjab Bank, near Comedy Chowk, Rawalpindi, Pakistan. Websites: www.tasirdawakina.com, www.tasirlabs.com, www.drtariqtasir.com, www.tasirlab.com, www.tasirherbalpharma.com.